Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a presentation on the Keynote application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the Keynote application, which I see on screen. Click on this. Now wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, we can now choose a theme. And here we have all the themes on the left-hand side navigation menu. So we have the basic, minimal, bold, editorial, portfolio, craft, and textured. Let's go to all themes. Let's now click on basic white for the moment. We can change the resolution on screen from, let's just say 4:3 to wide 16:9. Let's keep it to 16:9. Click on basic white. Now create. This will now start the presentation for us. We can increase the size of the Keynote window and then take it from there, which is what we will do in the future tutorials as part of this playlist for Computer Science Videos. So we can now quit Keynote. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.